Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. And to all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So right now guys, if you want to see how I came about this look here, please stay tuned and be your girl. I shall see you on the next side. That I'm going to go in with my primer and I'm going to prime my face. I'm using my bedroom to film today. As you can see, I've changed the position. The next step that I'm going to do is to go in with my Kat Von D, and I'm using shade Deep 78 Neutral. I think you can see there. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to pop that into my face. I don't want in this bottle brush, and I'm going to dip that into my face. You can use some circular motions like that. Can you see that, guys? Just a little bit of it, and it's already covering everything. This is so incredible. I really do love this Kat Von D, and you know, as much as I'm obsessed with MAC, I think I'm going to be obsessed with this foundation. My voice is so terrible, guys. Today I'm coming down with flu and I'm not feeling very well. The next step that I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and draw my eyebrows. Now I'll be using this brown pencil and I'm going to go ahead and draw my eyebrows. So yes, I don't like to talk when I draw my eyebrows because I don't like to do mistakes, but I'm going to go ahead and use my Pro LA Girl concealer. So I'm going to take that, and okay, I like to use a brush, so I don't like to use this brush, but I like to go in with my little brush here. It's wow, it's my this, and you just follow that line. You see, I'm pushing my eyebrows up so that it can be easy for me to draw. If you want, it's up to you. If you want to concealer on top, it's not necessary, but if you want, you can still go and concealer on the top one. I'm going to be green eyeshadows. I have this palette here. It's like this. Don't mind, it's already scratched because I have this for 2.5 years now, and this is how it looks inside. See, and this is how I have it. So I'll be using this colors here. This is the it's green, but it's a dark black green. This one and this one and this one. So I'll be using these 3 greens here. See, it's 3 different types of greens. We have this one, and this one. So I'll be using these greens here to do my eye look today. It's like my Jaclyn Hill palette, and this brown color here because I just want to make it as my base color. So this is the color that I'll be going in with, as you can see, and I'll do the same on this eye too. I'm going to be trying to do this a bit quicker. I'm going to go in with this color here now. This is the color that I'm going to use. You can see it looks a little bit, it looks green. They say it's green, but we know it has a name. I normally forget that name. So I'm going to go in with this color and I'll be applying it just right there, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer and I'm going to apply concealer on my eyelid. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply this concealer. I'll be picking that lighter green just there. I'm not seeing my brushes, I'm getting pissed. So now I'm looking for something. Okay guys, as you can see, I already done my eyeshadows and I did my eyelashes off camera. So right now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. So I'm going to go in with my concealer, contour stick concealer. This is how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and just conceal myself. So I'm going to put that just underneath my eyes. This is how I look. Blend it on my blend that concealer on my skin. Because the concealer is too light, so you can see how lighter that looks there, but nothing to worry about because I'm going to go in with my I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty Pro filter, and I'm going to use that just to tone down the color. So using a brush, I think I should go in with my beauty blender. This is the color how it is. It's nutmeg, that's what I'm using. So yeah, so you see now it's not so the color is already toning down, so that's why I was not worried, because you can see now everything is getting into place. So I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of that brush and I'll be putting that all over my face, because this brush has just and I'll be using this to do my lips. So the color is nude. So lipstick, draw my lips using the brown eyeliner. And apply this just to have shiny lip. This is my nails. I do my own nails. I don't know the last time I went to pay to do my nails. Unless if I'm in a hurry and I need to go, but I think for 4 years now I never paid someone to do my nails. I always do my own nails. Okay, then now that one is done, we need to highlight my nose. I'm going to be using that to highlight my nose. And put my earrings just to go in with my eyeshadows, and voila. So guys, just let me know what you think about this look here, and hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So right now on this girl, she has to bounce. I shall see you again on my next video. So bye.